Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for checking out today's episode. I'm going to come to you today from my truck, and I'm actually headed to the bank. I'm in line at the bank now. I just want to run something past you. Just want to open your eyes to something. So I'm about to put some money in the bank, make a deposit into my bank account. And when you think about it, a bank is not they don't sell any products or anything. All they do is move money. So check this out. How you doing? I just want to deposit into my business checking. Wow, I think it's 1,012. I forget the count. Hey, and ending in 6314. All right, so I'm about to make a deposit, cash deposit into my business account. And if you think about banks in general, banks, they don't sell anything. You might get a free lollipop, take your kids to the bank with you, or you might get a toaster. Sometimes they do promotions like that, or an iPad or something, but they don't sell anything. So why are banks, or people who own banks, why are they so wealthy? Because
it is 1,712.
Thank you, sir. All they do is move money around. A bank is just a warehouse for money. So that deposit that I just made into my business account, now the bank takes that money and they can go lend it out to other people 9 times over. They go create this money out of thin air. Imagine if you could do that. You'd be in jail because it's called counterfeiting, but imagine they take this deposit and they go create 9 times that amount out of thin air. All right. But what I do is I take this money and now it hits my account. I move it to my bank. I call it my family bank. There's a link down here, guys. Check it out. I have a master class that goes over how to get out of debt in 9 years or less. But it's through private banking. Your family bank is what it's called. Just using life insurance. That's right, life insurance, to get you out of debt and also create a tax favorable retirement. Now, this isn't an investment. I'm not trying to compete with a 401k or the stock market. This is something that is guaranteed to give you returns. And over time, we want to put you in positions for you to be the banker. See, when this money hits my account, I immediately transfer it right to my insurance account. That's what I do because I want to be the bank. I want to get the interest of anywhere from 4 to 8%. Compounding, by the way. The cool part about this is, check this out. The cool part about this is now, just like the banks that give you just less than 1%, and then they turn around and lend the money out 10, 11, 12% or higher, and they make money off of your money. My insurance company's no different. So now with my money that I have in my private bank via my life insurance policy, when I want to pull money out, I don't withdraw it because that would disturb the compounding effect, okay? So what I do, the insurance company says, well, you have XYZ amount, we'll give you this amount, you can take this amount, great. And what they do is they just simply put a lien on my money, that's it. And they charge me a small interest rate around 4.5%. Simple interest though, that accrues yearly. Big difference, guys. Just like a bank. So now if I want to go out and purchase a car or lend money to someone, which I do often, I charge them an interest rate, or even in my case, I may charge myself an interest rate. So I'll give you a perfect example. Next time you go car shopping, a lot of people go through the pre-approval process, and you go to a website, maybe your local bank's website, and you put in how much you want to borrow, and they tell you, oh, your interest rate would be 5% or 4%, and the payments would be, let's say, $300 a month. So I'm no different. When I want to purchase a car, just like I did with the Audi, what I do is I went to my same bank, went to the website and says, oh man, how much would my payments be if I were to get approved at, let's say 4%. Payments come back, oh, the payments would be $389 a month. Great, thank you for that. $389 over 5 years. Okay, so then I go right to my app or call my insurance company and say, hey, send me $35,000. They send it to me.
Thank you, sir.
No
Have a
problem.
good day.
Thank you, sir. Hey, have a great holiday, okay?
Thank you.
You too. So they then send me the money, usually in about anywhere from 3 to 5 business days. I'm gonna pull over here, guys. And when I get the money, I go right to the dealership and I purchase the car. I got the title in hand, done. No car note. So now that $35,000 that I took, I didn't go through any credit requirements. They didn't check my credit. You know, if I don't pay it back, they're not going to be calling the credit bureau on me. They're not going to be calling me trying to get the money because it's my money. The insurance company loaned me their money, okay? And why are they so easygoing about this? Because they know that you have the money. They put a lien on my money. So in the event something happens to me, they're still covered. It's very simple. But since I want to practice good banking, just like I would if I were to borrow the money from any of these other banks that I bank with that hold my money just temporarily before I put it in my policy, I paid it $300 a month. Where? Back to my bank, which is my life insurance policy. But guess what? I own the car already. I have the title for the car. Guys, that's all this is, man. Hit the links below. Learn how to start your own private banking. You don't need to have $1 million. You don't need to be making 6 figures to do this. We'll design a plan specifically for you that fits you. Hit the links below. Also, do me a good favor here. I want you to smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be bringing more updates on this very topic. Cash value life insurance, private banking. This is all part of my financial literacy, my financial literacy journey. You know, I like to share what I know with people. You know, it's one of the reasons why I started this channel is because I get asked so many times how to do this, how I do that, how this worked for me. So since I had people asking for this information, I felt, well, why not share it with other people who may want that same information? Which is why, you know, the YouTube is thriving now. And guys, thank you for checking out all the episodes, and we're growing, so that's kind of cool as well. But what I'm really passionate about is helping people understand just how money works and how simple this could be. You know, this is boring. This isn't real estate. This isn't the stock market where, you know, things are up and down. This isn't that. So it's not going to be exciting. It's boring. But a lot of the wealthy individuals in the United States, or the world for that matter, this is how they not only create, but sustain their wealth. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Remember, as always, run your race. I'll see you guys on the next episode.